One of the things that I wish I never took for granted during my early days of medical school is scholarship opportunities. And of course, you know that there are a lot of scholarship opportunities that are opened to undergraduate students, and most of these scholarships give preference to medical students or other students that are studying health related courses. In this video, I share valuable tips on how to get multiple scholarships and also how to get prepared for those scholarships and be informed about this scholarship. Hi, my name is Johnson and welcome to my channel. And what I do basically in this channel is talk about medical school, share my experience about medical school, and also give valuable information to aspirants out there who are interested and want to come and join us in medical school. So if this is what you like, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post my content, and also don't forget to like and share to people that you think might have need of this information. So yeah, just so you know that there are a lot of scholarship opportunities that are open to undergraduate students and most especially medical students per se, and I'll be sharing valuable tips on how to be able to get multiple scholarships. So one, do your research, do an extensive research. Now, most of the scholarships are out there, and it is left for you to be able to know and find out when those scholarships will begin. For instance, most of the scholarships, when they are about starting, they release adverts, and those adverts could be in a lot of social media places and even news channels or something. And so you can go to YouTube, you can go to Google and search for scholarship opportunity for undergraduate students in Nigeria, and you'll see tons and tons of information, valuable tips that will lead you to where you can be able to get the scholarship. Again, we also have a lot of groups on Facebook where scholarship group, of course, on Facebook, where you can be able to get information, where you will share or send information about a lot of scholarship opportunity. So go on Facebook, search for scholarship for undergraduate students, and you see tons and tons of groups. You can be able to join and get valuable information from those groups. And also on WhatsApp too, we have there are a lot of WhatsApp group that share those information, especially if you're already a student and in student group. And secondly, get your document ready and handy. Most of the scholarships begin in 200 level, and they will expect you to have your transcript, your ID card, your admission letter, and your O level result. And those things you will need to have them handy because you wouldn't know when to start. And when they start, there's always a time frame that the application will be closed. So majority of the scholarships start from 200 level, even though there are some that give opportunities for you to apply while you're in 100 level. So you have to look out for this scholarship and also know their criteria. I remember when I was in 100 level, there was this NLNG scholarship that give opportunities to 100 level. Okay, you can be able to apply, all right, from 100 level. Then thirdly, you should be able to apply as much as possible that you come across. So whenever you see an opportunity for a scholarship and you meet the criteria, just apply. Do not say that I've already applied for a particular scholarship, so I cannot apply for that. You do not know which one will be able to favor you. So apply as much as possible. So a couple of those scholarships expect that you write an exam, and they have their own CBT exam where you write. For instance, NNPC, MTN, and other scholarships have exams that they give students to write, and if you're able to pass, they might be able to consider you. Okay, but there are some that do not give any kind of exam, especially the federal government scholarship. Most government scholarships do not require you to take exam. So it will be very important that you check out for them, know which one requires for an exam, and you prepare very well. I'll drop my Telegram page in the description box below where you can go and get documents. You can go and get study materials that will be able to help you prepare for such exam. The different categories of scholarship opportunities. We have the government scholarship opportunities, and one of it is this federal government scholarship and also state government scholarship. You try and look out for them, especially if you are. There are some state scholarships that you have to be from the state before you apply. Okay, so you look out for those scholarships. Then secondly, there are oil and gas scholarship. Example is this NNPC, Chevron, and Agbami also. Those scholarships will require that you are just in one and not more than two. For instance, there are some scholarships like your NNPC, you cannot apply it either total or any, but you have to check very well and ensure that you meet the criteria before you apply. So for the scholarship that do not mind you have been in one or two scholarships, as you have to apply as much as possible. Then we also have some foundational scholarship. For instance, we have the NTN foundational scholarship, we have Samuel Bello foundational scholarship, and so many other foundational scholarships. We also have individuals that have foundations that help in giving scholarships to students. So you should be able to look out for those information and be able to apply. And then also we have regional scholarship. There are some particular scholarships that are peculiar to a certain region. For instance, we have the San Bello Memorial Foundation Scholarship, which I'm a beneficiary of. That scholarship is given to only people that are in the northern part of Nigeria. So if you are not from the northern part of Nigeria, you are not eligible and you will not be considered eligible for such scholarship. There is also Niger Delta scholarship also like that, peculiar to those people or people peculiar to students coming from that region. So you should be able to look out for those scholarship and be able to apply. Then lastly, we have scholarship that come in form of bond scheme. So I know that most northern states in Nigeria have of give scholarship to their student in form of bond scheme. So you have to compete from that state, and every month they give you a particular stipend. Then at the end of your study year, you will be required to come back to your state and serve the state for a couple of years. Let's say you finish your house job and you service, you'll be expected to come back, return to your state and serve a couple of years, not for free too. You'll be paid as a sense of as a way of giving back to that society. They were expected to come and work in that state. So if it's something that you like, something that you think you can be able to do, then I think you should consider such scholarship if given the opportunity to. So recently, I was able to interview a classmate of mine who had multiple scholarships during our preclinical days, and I will drop the link in the description box below where she shared extensively about her experience and how she was able to get those scholarships. So guys, this is the end of my video, and I hope I'll be able to bring out valuable information. And again, if you want me to make a video about the list of all scholarships available for medical students and also the requirements, please let me know in the description box below, so I'll prepare and make it in my next video. Thank you and bye.